Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video, I will explain about how to write JNU test case for REST controller methods by using Mockitot. In this video, so I am performing save operation. For this save operation, I will write JNU test cases. In this video, technologies used Mockitot, Data JPA, Spring Boot MVC, and this is Spring Boot application. It is not a scratch video, it is continuation video of JUnit playlist. This playlist I will provide in description. So let's get started coding. Here in previous videos, we have developed student app. So in student app, service logic successfully we are developed in previous videos for like here for save operation, delete operation, update operation, find all operation, find by ID operation like that. So for these service methods we have developed JUnit test cases as well. JUnit test cases as well. See here. So we are using at Spring Boot test annotation. We are using service. This is the service class, right? We are using inject mouse in service class. If any as a variables like as a variable. See here, this is as a variable or as a variable field, one field in service class. If any fields are there, so we are mocking. After that, we are activating mocks. For mocks, we are setting the expectations, actual method call. After that, validations, verification. Like this way, we are developed, right? JUnit test cases. No, I will develop JUnit test cases for controller methods. This way also we can develop, but I will explain another approach to develop JUnit test cases. While after developing the controller methods, I will use another approach to develop JUnit test cases for controllers. Multiple approaches are there. I will explain one by one. So let's create one controller. Here there is no controller package here. So right click, new package, com.in.controller, finish, go to form.xml first. We need Spring Verb dependency. In Spring Verb dependency, like controller annotations are available, but here, so data JP is there, JDBC is there, Lombok is there, starter test is there, but there is no Spring MVC dependency. So we need to add that. Right click on form, Spring add starters. So first we need to add Spring Verb starter. See here, recently used. I am already used. I am selecting. If not found here, recently used. You can type to search dependencies. You can search here. Selected one. Next, select the checkbox. Finish. Then we are successfully added Spring Verb dependency into the student app. See here. Now it will be available here also. So see here. Spring Boot starter verb successfully added. So close this. Next, we have created one package, right? Controller. So add one controller class. I am mentioning class name as a student controller. Finish. So I will add method level path and class level path as well. To get student controller, we need to use REST controller. Control space REST controller. Request mapping for class level path. So I am mentioning class student. After that, develop the method public response entity. So we are performing now save operation, right? First go to service. In service, save operation. Which method? Which return type? It is a string return type. So it will return t place here string. Method name is save student. Right? Is there any parameters? Here student is a parameter is there. So in controller, we need to use request body. So student, control shift O for imports. After that, inject the student. Provide student service. This is the camel rule. Post letter is small. Remaining active. It is called the camel rule. After that, at auto maximize. Now call this service student service dot save student. It will return the string as response, string response, right? Then return new response entity. This is optional here. After that, response, it is a return type, right? We need to pass this is a response entity constructor, comma http status dot created. 201 means created. So we need to use the here path, method level path, post mapping slash save. Now controller method development was done. Let's go to database and verify how many records are there. Then we can insert one record through postman. Scott, yes, Scott, tiger, clear screen. So set pages here 10000. Set lines 10000 semicolon. Now select star from here which table, go to model and verify which table it is. Entity, here entity, it is a student. Here it is a student class, student. So select star from student semicolon. These records are there, or rows are there. So I want to add another row. See, 1000, 1004, 1006, 1002, 1003. I want to add 1001 record here. So I am creating one collection here, blank collection. I'm creating now. Now I am creating one collection, student app. Here I'm created one student app collection. So I am adding one request. So I am mentioning like save operation request. It is a post http colon / local host colon default port number is 8080 / class level path is student. Here student controller, class level path is /student, method level path is /save. So /student /save, right? This is a post request. It is expecting body. We are also here request body either we need to pass the JSON. So raw here JSON. If it is text is there, you can change to JSON. First we need to run this application. So go to starter class, right click, run as Spring Boot app. Here this Spring Boot application starting now. So we need to add student JSON here. This is called one object. We need to add key value pairs. So go to entity and verify the field names. ID name, branch is mail. So here ID. So ID is a long 1001, comma ID name is a string. I'm giving suppose Ravi. Next branch colon, I'm giving mechanical Mac. After that is mail. So it is expecting true false. I'm giving true. Let's verify the field names. Is mail, branch name, ID name, branch is mail. So I'm sending request. If it is successfully done, we will get 201 status and one message as well. So go to service, we are printing one message. Here save is a at value field, go to application properties, save student, save successfully, space, it will print one ID. So let's check. We will get student save successfully and ID 1001. Let's verify. Select star from student. Here 1001 record is not there and Ravi name is not there. We will get that record and name. Here 1001 Mac Ravi. So 1 means here true boolean. In Oracle it shows 1 0 or 1 0 means false, 1 means true. So service logic where this controller method logic were successfully developed. So we will start writing Jane test case for this controller. So go to here src test java, create new package com.in controller, finish, go to controller class, student controller. See these package names src main java package names and these package names must be same. Otherwise sometimes you will get some issues. Remember this point. Class name test. So test class is ready. We need to add few code here. So here now I am using at verb MVC test. At verb MVC test. Here I am mentioning here which it is expecting controller specify the controller to test. So I am mentioning one controller. We have one controller, right? I am mentioning that student controller. Student controller dot class. What is use of this method? This annotation at verb MVC test. See here. So I am maximizing. See here. Verb MVC test will create being for only controller class. See verb MVC test will create being for only controller class. It will create being for this controller class. So after that I will start developing the method public test method or test case public void test save student. So method ready annotated with at test control shift O for imports. We need to provide auto mock MVC. Now I am using mock MVC. Here what is saying main entry point for server side Spring MVC test support. Spring MVC test support mock MVC. It is there in ORG package name ORG Spring Framework test web servlet. So control space camel case. This is the camel case. After that at auto wide. So this is ready, right? Then mock MVC dot here. After that mock MVC dot methods are the perform a request and return a type that allows chaining further actions. So perform we need to pass here. So perform is there, right? You need to pass mock MVC request builders mock MVC here static factory method for request builders mock MVC request builders dot see these are the methods HTTP methods. So we need post method post, right? Post method. See these are the post methods. It is expecting URL string URL template object variables post. This is we are using. So string URL means suppose instead of mention the path we need to pass here this student controller path. Here this is the class level path method level path both we need to pass here slash student slash save path we need to paste here path. After that dot content. After that here this is the mock MVC, right? Chain of method. These are the chain of methods. After that dot content we need to mention here content type. So content type I'm creating here content type private static final. So media type application underscore JSON underscore utf 8 equal to new media type. It is expecting main type, right? So we need to add here media type dot same this type application here application underscore JSON underscore UTF-8. After that, we need to pass another parameter. So, comma, false. Here, new media type. So, here, media type, application underscore JSON dot get. Here, get type. Here, type. This is the one parameter, comma, another parameter, media type dot application underscore JSON, here application dot JSON dot get subtype, comma. This is another parameter. This is the constructor media type constructor. We need to pass three parameters: media type dot application JSON dot get type, media type dot application JSON dot get subtype. Another here char set dot for name. This is expecting for name string type UTF-8 colon. Copy this name, Control C, paste here. After that, here, paste here. Next, check unexpect is there. So, mock MVC result matcher, mock MVC result matches dot status. So is we are expecting 201 created. 201 means created dot unwritten. It will return MVC result. See here, it will return MVC result. So MVC result response equal to Control Shift O for imports. So we are getting the error. Click here. It is expecting add throws. It is expecting. It is raising one error. After that, use one asset condition here. Asset dot asset not null. Pass the response entity. This is the validating results. Here passing controller and method path. So this is the method level path and class level path. So here we are passing content type and we are verifying the status. It is we are expecting the status and validating results. Verifications actual method call here not there. So let's see if any errors are coming, then we will fix it. Run as JUnit. So few errors will be raised, then accordingly we will fix it. Here no such definition exception. So no qualification bean of type service available, at least one service bean it is expecting. Here the at verb MVC test, what it will do, at verb MVC test will create bean for only controller class. So it will create bean only for controller class. Then how to get bean for service class? For that, I need to add private student service. So here I am not using any mouse in controller. Service auto is there, but I am not using any mouse. Without mouse also, we can able to achieve this at mock bin. We need to use at mock bin. See here, annotation that can be used to add mocks to a Spring. So it is like a advanced of mock. Remember, it is like a advanced of mock MVC. Let's see that error is resolved or not. Right click run as JUnit. So Let's wait some time. Spring Boot application starting. We will get if success or failure here. It will show. If it is success, it is success. It is failed, it is failed. So as an error, response start is expected but was 400. Why we are getting 400? 400 means bad request. Let's see why we are getting this. See, this application is up and running, right? So now I am removing this body. Let's see which we will get any error or not. I am sending here 400 bad request. Oh, got it. I am not passing here body. For this method, I am not passing any body. That's why. So I am getting this error. Then public void setup. I am using setup method to pass the body. So I'm creating private student. Student is a entity. Our controller method expecting entity, this entity only. So I will create object by using student equal to new student. Student object successfully created. So B for each. So here now we need to set the values for this dot set. So I am setting the ID 9999L. After that dot set name. Name I am giving Mohan. After that I will set the set branch. Branch I am giving civil. After that I will set is male. I am giving true. Controller setting done. So copy this object reference. Go to method. We need to pass the body. See, this is the post request. We are passing the path content type application JSON, but where we need to pass body. So see here, we need to pass body, right? So where we need to pass the body. Let's check here in the body annotation is there. It is here if content is provided. Content string. So we need to pass the content here. We need to pass content string type. This is the student. We need to pass here. For that, we need to convert. So for conversion, I am using object mapper. Object mapper. Mapper. Control Z. Object mapper equal to new object mapper. After that, mapper dot write here object mapper write value as string. After that, object mapper dot post we need to configure here configure. We need to pass serializable feature dot w ref the root value. It is a false semicolon. After that, object mapper dot write dot with here with default 3D printer. See what it will return. Here object writer it will return OZ object writer. Control Shift O. See it is giving post one select. After that OW dot write value as string. Here write value as string. It is expecting object. In our case student. It will return the string JSON. So if you are not aware of this object mapper, go through one of playlist like Jackson API playlist. Here I am explaining about object mapper, how to convert Java object into JSON. Here we are converted. Here we are converting student object into JSON string. Here converting string. Here converting JSON object into string. Then this JSON, they need to pass here content. It is expecting string JSON controllers. So let's run. If again any errors are coming, that's we will resolve it. Right click, run as JUnit test. So it is expecting body. So we are passing content JSON. It is a body. This is the one approach to pass the body. I will show other approaches as well. See here, this test case is successfully completed. So no error, no failures. Green. That means this test case is successfully completed. Let's run the Maven install. How many lines of code is covered? Let's verify. Then run as Maven install. First, it will start the Spring Boot application. After that, test cases will be start. Wait some time. It will take some time to complete this process. So in this video, we are successfully. So in this video, we are successfully developed controller method JUnit test cases for save operation. Right? For save operation, we are successfully developed JUnit test cases. Where sometime test cases will be completed. So now Spring Boot application is starting. Once this is completed, now test cases are running. Here test answer 20, one skipped, failure 0, error 0, build success. So refresh post, right click, refresh. Here target side Jacoco index.html. I want to open directly with Chrome, but here Chrome browser is not there. What should I do? For that, Windows web browser, it is internal web browser, change it to Chrome. Now right click, open with a web browser. Web browser means it will show Chrome now. See, it will open in Chrome. Go to controller. Here controller 100% covered. And here some changes I am doing now. B for each. B for each nothing but calling. B for calling. B for every test method. Every test method. Remember? So I am adding Mockitot annotations dot open mocks. If any mocks are there, then those mocks it will initialize Mockitot annotations. This is not required now, but I am adding Mockitot annotations dot open mocks. I am passing here this semicolon. Here this method will load. This method will load B for each test case calling. Each test case calling this method. This setup method. This method will load B for each test case calling. Here about this Mockitot annotations dot open mocks. Initializing all mocks. Initializing all mocks. So let's rerun again. It will be 100% will success. So once this is done, we will commit our changes into our repository. So in this video, we have successfully done unit test cases for Spring MVC. Save operation. Test case is done. Green color. So stop the server and do one thing. Call out this curl, this URL. So here click this. This is the curl less than greater than less than symbols are there. Call out here. So go to here resources. Let's check where it is resources. Here resources are there, right? New, take one file, new other file, next take one text file like student calls .txt. So we are doing now save operation, right? Function here save operation. Curl means URL kind of. If it is curl, this is there, right? So we can directly import. Control V here, import into collection. See, it is appear like this. This appear like this. successfully imported. It is imported into employee app. So see, this is our previous post operation, right? Let's save this. Yeah, successfully saved. In student, yeah, where student collection we created one. We added one request. See here, we are added one request, add request. We will mention the save operation. If we are click save operation method type post. Now we will commit our changes. So select Control Shift F. It will not appear in a redo format kind of. Let's ignore. File. So properties. I am going into this file location. Now I am going into. I want to go to this project location file. Select on the project name. Properties. Go to location. Click here. Maximize. Student app. CMD. Get status check. These files were modified founded XML modified controller added in both Java and test src main Java and src test Java. This in resources one student called txt file added. So git add. Now I will use star. After that get status. It is green color. Now it is staged area. Get commit -m. So 04, like it is like a JRID, date I mean date as JRID 08 2024 2024. Save controller methods JUnit, comma save operation. Commit. After that get push. Now I am pushing into remote repository. Here it is successfully done. Then close, cancel. Here let's check it is committed or not. It is successfully committed. You will get updated now. See this repository link and JUnit playlist link I will provide. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel.